Hi guys, bit of a late one tonight. We've only just got in from being at the cinema. It's been a pretty long day. A bit of a recap of what happened last night as well. So after we got back, we went out for dinner. We had burgers at Game Over, which is like a burger games restaurant. So we played Tetris Jenga, had a bit of a good time. And to get there, we went by motorbike.
How you doing, Tom?
I love it.
Oh, bollocks.
Regardless of this being Tetris Jenga, this is the highest Jenga I've ever done.
That wouldn't work when we did giant Jenga. Hang on, is that 3? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's going.
You keep saying that, we're not listening to you anymore.
This isn't fair.
Interesting. Look at that.
We did a bit of boat touring today, so we travelled along the river and we visited Wat Po, which is the reclining Buddha. We did the flower market, we did the river mall, which was a little unexpected. It's just a really big antique shop and basically empty, but you know, that's interesting enough. We also did Jim's house, which is Jim Thompson's house. He's like an American ex-army officer who travelled to Thailand because he fell in love with it during the war. And yeah, he decided to reinstate the silk industry. What's weird as well is that he just disappeared in 1961 and no one's ever heard or seen of him since, and no one really knows what happened to him. So yeah, it's a bit bizarre. It was basically a museum of his life, which is brilliant. Also on the riverboat tour we visited Chinatown. So yeah, this is the video of that. So yeah, I'm knackered. We've got to get up in about 5 hours. I think we're doing a cycling river tour tomorrow, which is about 5 hours long from 7 till 12. So that means we've got to get up at 5 a.m. So I'm going to log off for now, and I shall see you tomorrow or later in the week. See you guys. Bye.